Today, we're comparing Monese versus Revolut, two of the top digital banking apps in 2025 that make multi-currency banking easy, especially if you're living abroad, traveling, or sending money internationally. Monese is known for simplicity. It offers quick account setup with no proof of address needed, which is great for expats or new arrivals. You get GBP and Euro accounts, a Visa debit card, and instant transfers to other Monese users. It supports Apple Pay, Google Pay, and comes with built-in budgeting tools. Now, Revolut supports 30-plus currencies, lets you exchange money at interbank rates, and even invest in crypto, stocks, or commodities. It's more feature-rich with savings, vaults, analytics, and travel perks like global ATM withdrawals. Their standard plan is free, but paid plans give you more perks and lower fees. Choose Monese if you want simple, fast setup and basic banking in GBP or Euro. Go with Revolut if you want full control over multiple currencies, travel features, and extra financial tools in one app. Both apps are solid, but it depends on your lifestyle.